Hi guys, and today I'm back with another video, and in this one I'm going to be showing you around 5, don't quote me on that, but around 5 secret locations slash glitches in GTA 5 Online. So for the first glitch, you want to come to this location on the map. It's basically the main span. You want to get like a helicopter, or you know, an Impressor, or the Luxo, or whatever you have. And you want to come to this side right here at this like onto this triangle here, and then you just want to jump off and you want to skydive. You want to just like take a few turns. And you want to land on this like little ledge right here. And this is a good wall breach. This is not the glitch, just to let you know. This is a good place, you know, to shoot and stuff like that, but that's not the thing. So you want to just get a pistol or a gun, and you want to come to this ledge right here, and you want to just point it, and you just want to walk down the side here, and you will fall down into this secret like kind of wall breach where you can shoot out, you can kill. I'll just try and prove that to you. I don't know how I can. Maybe I'll shoot this sign here. Bam! As you can see, there is a shot in there. And basically, you're invincible to people trying to kill you, and you can basically hide out here from a bounty, or you know, if you're being chased down. It's just a really cool location to, you know, go when you are bored in GTA 5 Online. So let's move on to the next location. So for the second location, what you need to do is you need to come to this location on the map right here. It's basically at the beach. As you can see here, it's at these like middle line here of these two. And you want to bring a Akuma. Now for this glitch you will need one of these. You can also use a Manchez, but that is like around 50,000, and it's just a rip off, and it's just don't get the Akuma is around 9k. So what you want to do is you want to park your bike next to this wall here, just so you will kind of glitch, and then you want to drop down. As you can see, you will be in this wall breach. That could be it if you want, but you just want to drop down. And sometimes it may take you a while, but you want to land on you'll land on like a wall, on like a room, in like a secret room. So you just want to drop down, and you want to land on this wall right here. I don't even know where it is again. And you just want to drop down, and you want to start gliding this way at these like two little things right here, all the way down to where is it? You want to just drop. I'll show you when we get in there. And towards these two like thingies right here. So you want to drop down, and you want to make sure you stay in that like little thing. So you're gonna stop and you kind of twist, and you'll land in this like little room thing right here. And once you're here, you want to park up your bike against this. You will not fall when you go up against this. You want to do a wheelie against the wall. Sometimes you will fall like that, but just get back on your bike and keep going. Again, as I told you before. So sometimes this will take you a few tries. So I will cut to when I get up. Oh guys, I just got into the glitch. As you'll see, you'll spawn in Floyd's apartment right here, and it's a pretty cool Easter egg or a glitch, should I say, but I believe once you get back on the bike, oh, my bike's destroyed, I don't know why, but you cannot get back on your bike or else you just glitch. But yeah, this is a place where you can, you know, hide from bounties if you have a bounty, or you know, if people are chasing you down. This is another good spot. You can't walk through the door, which is sad. So you're basically stuck in Floyd's apartment unless you kill yourself in the interaction menu. So that is the second glitch, and I will be back with the third glitch. Let me just go and kill myself right here. Now, onto the third location. This location may be a bit weird. As you can see that I'm in a race and there is a ramp here. But basically you can either do it in a race or you can do it in free mode. So if you're doing it in free mode, you will need a Cargobob and an Akuma. And you just want to land it on the IAA building. But if you're like me, create a race on top and put like a ramp. And make sure you use the Akuma for this. And you just want to drop over, kind of like that, like side part there. Sometimes it's hard to get. But you basically just want to go up there and you just want to drop down the side. And try and be as careful as you can that you don't fall down. Boom. So you want to just drop down to this like side gate right here. And you want to align your gate up against, your bike up against this wall and push in. You will start to glitch through the wall. As you can see, you can kind of see like a little glitch in there. You just want to get a little bit of speed, but not a lot of speed, or else you will not, make it. And it will just, I just want to go really up. And a little bit of speed. It will take you a couple of tries. It took me a few tries myself. Fall down into this like location here. And you want to get out in first person, and boom, you'll be in the IAA. It'll take you a while for it to load in for you, but you can basically, I think if you get back on your bike, get back off, it should spawn in. I don't know, but just go into first person, go into like the rooms and stuff. It's basically a cool wall breach. If it's basically the IAA, so you can run around and do all this stuff. You want to climb the table and that will get you out of it. But basically, yeah, this is what you can do. You can go into like the rooms, except this room. But this room is a little glitched. It kind of opens a little bit like that, but from here. So basically, that is the third glitch, and I will see you at the fourth location.